Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, you look so cute in this dress, dear.
Yeah, today it is
Shivaratri.
Shivaratri, yeah. That time I was
Yeah. So are you going for temple and all?
just,
Did you went already?
I could not go to that. No, I want to go. I want to
Why?
go.
You want to go.
Because of the class, I could not go. Yeah, I want to go.
After the class, will you go?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, nice.
Evening. Yeah, I will go in the evening.
Okay, okay. Great. Hava, Yardan, you there? Yes, Hava, I can see
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yardan, please turn on your video, dear.
Okay.
Actually, I think I have some network issues. I couldn't see anyone properly. Hi, Rayan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You had an haircut again.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yesterday,
Yerdan, you there?
I am here.
Okay, then turn on your video.
Okay.
How is the classes going on, children? In every classes, the revision started already.
Ma'am, I didn't start in every class. I started in some classes.
In some classes, only revision started. Okay, okay. So yeah, today ma'am was having some trouble with your hair. That means I'm having an appointment. So Shamima ma'am will be taking the class together with G3B, okay? And for the first hour also, I think your English class will be together with G3A and G3B.
Yesterday he was also with Clement.
Yes. Azil, hello Azil. Why no one is saying anything? Huh? Why today morning itself so boring? What happened since it's Shivaratri?
Okay.
Hmm?
Nothing, just sitting
Actually, I
here.
was checking with the teacher whether I need to give you the grade 3B link.
Ma'am, why Sat sir is not there?
Sir is having some exams.
Is it maths class?
No, it's not maths class, dear. Yes. So, children, I'll just give you the link of G3B, okay? So you can just join the G3B link. The
Okay.
G3B link. Yes, Arjun sir will be joining you right now. He will give you the link of G3B, okay?
Can you see the
You know
link?
Arjun sir?
Ah.
Yeah, he's already here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can I share the link
Yeah, sure, sure.
in the chat?
Sure, sure. Okay, kids, you can join G3B, okay? Sir will be accompanying you
Okay, ma'am.
G3A and G3B.
Okay. Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, I can join the link.
Yeah, you can join the link. You can join there, okay?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Oh, thank
Sir,
you.
Zanubi has also there. She did not join yet, and she did not inform me
Oh,
also.
okay.
I'll just check with it.
I'll meet that.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I join.
Okay, now you can leave from here.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Please leave. Yeah, Ryan, you can leave from here and join the other one.
Okay.